Hello, myself Bipin Reshamwala and I am tutor at Sanket Study Center teaching standard 10th over here. Now, let me make you clarify regarding the paper pattern and paper style. Recently, we have conducted a round test in our classes, and in English paper, how students need to write. A best example I want to show to you. Let me make it clear.
Good morning.
Good morning, Alia. Now she is one of our topper, Alia Patel, and she has wrote much beautifully and very calmly and very excellent in this English paper. Let me make you clear about this paper. As we are knowing, English paper is having 5 sections. Section A, Section B, Section C, Section D and Section E. Section A, see this. Whole diagrammatically, whole linings, marks also we have provided because this is a checked paper. See the neatness, the author's name, poet's name, chapter's name and the content of the length. This one, whole neatness you can see here. Then you can see new section from new page, section B. Numbering is very must. This is all numbering. Apart from that, single line answers like figures of speech. You can see underline she had made. Question answers, again poet's name, poem name, comprehensions. See the neatness. Not a single place you will be seeing having scribbling marks over there, and which gives a neatness and a good marks. See this, section C, rectification of error. Error correction. How she has made it beautifully right. Punctuation. See the punctuation. She has marked it very boldly. Anyone can easily see the punctuation marks over here. Filling the blanks. Underline. Passage from this one, poem section or prose section. This one is optional. Section D. Again passage. Diary writing. Just one single scribbling I have seen over here. Nothing else apart from this paper. Notice. Box is compulsory. See the notice, underline. The paper pattern, the writing skill which we are teaching over here is exactly like board pattern. Section E, writing skill. Maximum marks students are getting on in this section only. She has written report writing. Then letter. See the address, date, second address. This is a formal letter. Subject, underline. Now this one is must. Essay. See the heading. Some slogans with bold, with a clear handwriting, and see the design she have made. Generally in English paper, students are never getting 80 or 80, but in English paper, highest marks can be achievable is 73. Why? Many schools are giving full marks in question answers, but according to board pattern, out of 2, maximum 1.5. In writing skill, compulsory half marks is deducted, and in essay, we are deducting 1.5 marks. We are giving a legible marks, that is, this one is 73.5, her highest mark, and this one is all correct formation. Means she is getting total 100 on 100 marks, basically concept wise. In English, it's a language, you are not going to get 80 marks. Never. But maximum marks achievable in English subject, that is 73.5 or maybe 73 depending upon the schedule. Now I would like to ask Alia how was her experience about this. Alia, please share your experience.
Firstly, I was not at all nervous for writing the paper because we are given practice whole week for the English upcoming test. Whole week we are given practice for writing 80 paper marks paper. We have written every paper every day. Whole week we have written, and every grammar section, every topic of the grammar had been taught by sir very skillfully, and we were learned every grammar topic and concepts in the class only. So it was not difficult to write any section or grammar part. And talking about the writing skills, every format, content, slogans, everything was told by the sir that how you have to write the paper. This has helped a lot, and because of this, it was very easy to write paper. and it was completed in earlier than the time.
In how much time you completed this paper?
2.5 hours.
2 hours and a half hour. Very good. Because English paper contain writing skill, and if she is writing in 2.5 hours with such much decoration you can see, then it is commendable. So thank you, Alia, and I hope you will practice this same forever, and best of luck for your board examination.
Thank you, sir.
Apart from this kind of study we are teaching from standard 5th to standard 10th in our Sanket Study Center. And as our owner has, Mr. Sanjay M. Purohit, has carried over this legacy since 1990, we are very much aware of all the systems we are carrying over here. So I guess other than this, nothing else can be remaining in this part of our writing skills and all. So I guess this type of practice is must for every student, and students like Alia and many other students are getting this kind of marks. So this can be achievable only by thorough practice and concentration. I am very proud of my students. Thank you.